I know SilverBiology has a few commercial products that they sell, but do they make open source software?
Since 2008 we started to sell licenses to use the software, to fund the development and sustainability of this product, as well as development of new tools. In conjunction with some projects, we have developed some open source projects for the community. The first was developed in 2008 with the Burke Museum in Washington. It is called SilverMapper. It is a web application to visually interact with geospatial collections or observation data from one or many different sources. Now Google has something called Fusion Tables that is a bit similar, but not exactly the same. If you are interested in this type of tool, it is free to use, and if you are a developer you can also make any changes as you need.
Okay, I did not know that you work with universities and museums to make open source software.
Of course. We really like to work with NSF grants and projects where we can develop open source software for the community to use. Since we are not a non-profit company, we cannot directly submit and can only collaborate with existing organizations.
If so, then why do you sell commercial software?
It is really hard for NSF for another organization to spend a lot of money on a tool that may or may not be used by the community. So we decided to spend our time and money to develop something that we can sell for a portion of the actual development cost so that no one university has to pay for everything. Any future clients help pay for the support and continuing development of new features and applications.
Okay, I see now. But how private is your software? Are we stuck paying every year money?
No, actually we have a one-time license that is good for as long as you have the software installed. We do offer an optional annual maintenance that goes towards support and feature development. As a license holder you get direct input on the types of features you would like to see in future versions. Most of our software are web services. This means you are able to develop on top of the existing engine and do unique things, so you don't need us.
Okay, so if I have developers here that want to do something, can they use your web service? Is there documentation, things like that?
We are in the process of setting up wiki pages for all of our license-based software. This will let clients learn how to go beyond what we provide and extend the software into their own needs.
So even though it is a license-based software, we can see the code and learn what it does.
Mainly the license is to protect us from anyone copying or competing with us using our source code. The funding we receive to support our products is directly related to the user base.
And have you developed any other open source projects?
Yes, we work on many GBIF projects that help with the community to submit data. You can see a lot of our projects at tools.gbif.org. We also helped to produce a bionomenclature glossary that is also found on GBIF. We continue to develop more and more open source tools, but not always under our name.
You are also working with the SilverBiology Louisiana project. I heard you are working an image portal tool.
Oh yes, this is also another open source tool that we hope people will use. It helps provide a way to access thousands of images for scientific collections online. It does a lot of managerial things and automated services for processing images. It will be available in early 2011, but you can see a few features now at SilverBiology.com.
This is all great news. I assumed that everything was really private and not flexible. In fact, both your open and license-based software is really friendly to use, and we are not stuck with software we cannot change.
We do have a company policy that, if we ever have to close our doors and no one will be taking over the business, we will release all of our commercial software as open source software. We do not plan on going anywhere, but this lets people know that they will have access to everything if we need to close. So come look at our products and think of us when you are creating your next project. Visit us at SilverBiology.com now.